In your breakdown, some fierce political drama over the race for clerk of court. The jailhouse lawyer running for office and the district attorney are facing an attack and serious accusations by the attorney general. All of this is a little confusing, but there are 4 people involved. Calvin Duncan is running for New Orleans Clerk of Court, challenging incumbent Darren Lombard. Duncan was arrested at 19 and sentenced to life in prison. The Innocence Project New Orleans took up his case in 2003 and discovered new evidence. In 2011, Duncan was released from prison as part of a plea deal, and in 2021, he was called back to court, where a judge vacated that conviction and permanently cleared him of the crime. He is listed in the National Registry of Exonerations. Here's where our other 2 people come in. Attorney General Liz Murrill takes issue with the word exonerated. September 30th, she sent a 2-page letter to Duncan writing, quote, "You have not proven you were actually innocent, and the only result of the judicial proceedings was that your prior conviction was vacated." She suggests he stop saying that he was exonerated, quote, "to avoid further action." Murrill calls the circumstances of his case, quote, "abuse and manipulation of the justice system," and then accuses District Attorney Jason Williams, the judge, and another attorney of fraud and ethics violations, saying Williams represented Duncan before he became DA. If this feels like we've gone from 0 to 100, it gets worse. District Attorney Jason Williams then released a statement saying he has never represented Duncan at any point, calling Murrill's claims factually baseless, deeply irresponsible, and defamatory, and asking for a public correction. Meanwhile, Duncan's opponent, Darren Lombard, has filed to try to get a restraining order to get Duncan to stop talking about his past with the criminal justice system. Duncan said in a statement, quote, "I fought for decades to prove my innocence. Now both the incumbent clerk and Governor Landry's attorney general are misleading the public about my exoneration in what appears to be a coordinated attack." We gave Murrill's office a chance to reply, and they said her initial letter speaks for itself.